What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to another banger video. Now, before we get started, I got two announcements. First announcement, if this is your first time seeing me, I need you to hit that like, comment, subscribe button, share this to your grandmama, your mama, everybody in your family, and make sure y'all go watch my last video I posted. It was just like a little haul video, so I'm gonna put that up right here, you feel me, right here, and boom, and this is my socials. So if you wanna follow my socials, go ahead. And yeah, let's get right. Oh no, I almost forgot. And my bad, y'all, for wearing two coats, you feel me? It's real cold outside. I don't know if y'all can see, but it is snowing, you feel me? This is my first time. Well, this is the first time it snowed, me being in my new apartment, so you feel me? I'm happy. I was outside and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get right into this video. All right, YouTube gang, as y'all could tell by the title of today's video, we finna be going on Pinterest and recreating an outfit. And just so I can show y'all how easy it is to visualize an outfit and be able to go put that on from inside your closet. You don't always gotta order a $300, $400 outfit. You can use what you have in your closet. So yeah, let's go on the app and get right into today's video. All right, y'all, so I already know what shoes I'm gonna be wearing today. That's one thing that I put aside already. I'm finna be wearing some Jordan 6 Georgetowns. If y'all don't know what them are, I'm gonna put them right here. Obviously, y'all can see there's some gray 6s. And yeah, that's pretty much all that I know that what I'm gonna put for today's outfit. And another thing is, I know I'm not gonna be wearing no shirt because like I said, it is snowing and it's getting real cold outside. So I'm gonna be looking for like a hoodie, jacket, sweatshirt, or you know, something like that. So yeah, let's get to scrolling. All right, y'all, so we already found this guy has, I'm pretty sure it's in sync, but this guy has some some camo pants, and I got some camo pants. So I'm pretty sure, yeah, and I haven't worn them yet. I got them from ML. So yeah, I'm finna put them together with the 7s. And actually, as I'm looking at this outfit for real, ooh, hold on. I know I don't got no gray hoodie like that, but I do got a gray like sweatshirt, and I think it's kind of cropped. So we might be recreating dang near this whole entire outfit, but you feel me? I'm not gonna be wearing the foam runners because I'm gonna be putting on the 6s, and you know, not gonna be wearing that hoodie because I'm gonna put on this little long sleeve, and it's a gray long sleeve. So yeah, just that easy. We just found the outfit, and yeah. But I'm just gonna do a little bit more scrolling so y'all can, you know, see. So basically, when you're looking at stuff like this, what you can do at home, so like let's say you have some Jordan 4 Red Thunder. So what you would do is you would go up here, you would put in some Jordan 4 Red Thunder outfit. So boom, you will put this together, and look, just how easy it is. So you say, so this is what you would do, right? You would say, all right, I already got the Jordan 4 Red Thunders, right? So boom, so you would just go through these outfits, and let's say you scrolling, right? Boom, like this girl in these, y'all see it. You say, all right, boom, I got that, I got them type of pants, and I got the 4. All right, boom. So you would just visualize it in your head, like, all right, I'm gonna wear the 4s with them type of pants, boom, 4s with the pants. Now you gotta go look for a top. So, you know, you'll keep scrolling, you know, keep scrolling. Boom, this varsity jacket. Let's say you got a varsity jacket in the closet. You just put together an outfit. You finna wear your 4s with the metallic, or not, whatever pants the girl was just wearing, with them pants, with that varsity jacket. Go in your closet, either recreate it exactly or something just like it and pop out, you feel me? That way you're not spending hundreds of dollars every single time you step out the house to recreate an outfit. You can just go in your closet, and this can work with dang near anything. Let's say you wanted to match it with a jacket. So what you would do is you'll go up here, just type in yellow varsity. Oh, I cannot spell. You just type in yellow varsity jacket. So boom, right? So you'll just keep scrolling like this. So you'll keep scrolling till you find something you like. boom. This outfit is trash. Not trash. I'm not gonna say trash, but I don't like it. So you feel me? You see, let's say you got some dunks that aren't this exact color dunk, but you got some yellow dunks with a yellow varsity jacket, and you see he's wearing some basic black pants. That's another outfit. So I just feel like Pinterest is a way to where you can visualize, because if you're not a real good visual person when it comes to clothes and stuff like that, you can go on here, type in what you want to wear, either go find it for cheap or go in your closet and, you know, put that outfit together. It's just that simple, y'all, like literally. And this works with anything. You can look up jewelry, like, and also when you tap on pictures, if you tap, most of the time it will have like if you don't have that exact color, or if you know, if they don't have that exact thing, or you trying to find a replica for something, you can click on a picture and it will show you different type of varsity jackets and different colors and all of that stuff. And that's Danish for a lot of stuff. So you can type in, so let's type in NBA. It's not that accurate, but you feel me, it get it done. So let's look up NBA YoungBoy outfit. All right, boom. So we got NBA YoungBoy outfit, and it will, you know, y'all can see, y'all can see it got some little gray dots on it, right? So what you would do, hold on. So what you would do is you would click on the gray dot, and look, it's showing you jackets that look like it. A lot of the times it's not 100% on, but you feel me, it helps a lot. Like you can click on his pants and it'll show you a whole bunch of gray pants. But yeah, so that's a way you can get a lot of outfits and visualize a lot of outfits and stuff like that. But yeah, so since I showed y'all what outfit I'm gonna be wearing, I'm finna go grab it. And yeah, just to give y'all a little, you know, recap, I said I'm finna wear my sixes, my Georgetown sixes, with my army fatigue pants, with probably like a shirt underneath and a little sweatshirt. So yeah, let's go grab that and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we got all the ingredients for the outfit. So boom, we finna start off, like I said, the sixes. And with these, well, actually, let's start off with the top. Hold on. Yeah, let's start off with this. So this is the little varsity, not varsity, but this is the little college, Duke University sweatshirt I'm gonna be wearing. And y'all can see, yeah, y'all can see it's like blue lettering with like some gray around it. So it's, you know, two types of different grays, and then with the little blue lettering, and it says Duke University. So that's the top. And then these are the cargos, or whatever you wanna call them, cargo pants that I'm gonna be wearing. You know, I got these from ML, y'all can see right there. And yeah, you feel me, just that simple. Like, I'm telling y'all, it's that simple. Like, it's not that hard to, like, all you gotta do is just have a little closet with a little bit of clothes and stuff like that, and you can really like put together outfits and stuff like that. You don't always gotta go find different outfits and, you know, spend a lot of money. And basically, to spice this outfit up a little bit more, I'm gonna take out these shoelaces and I'm gonna put in some blue shoelaces that looks exactly like this blue hoodie. So yeah, I'm finna go change these out right now. I'm finna put the outfit on the ground so y'all can see what the outfit look like, and I'm gonna give y'all a little spoiler. If y'all want to see me with the outfit on, make sure y'all stay tuned. Like I said, hit that like, comment, subscribe, because in the next video, I'm finna basically go do a photo shoot in this outfit. So yeah, let me show y'all the outfit on the ground.